Watch what happens here. When this policeman notices a car parked in a no parking zone, he immediately starts issuing a ticket. But after taking a closer look, he realizes the car is actually broken down and someone is repairing it. So, the officer returns the license plate and leaves without taking any action. But here's the surprising part. When the owner of the car came back, he picked up the statue he had placed earlier to make it look like someone was working and calmly drove away. The next day, the same policeman passed by the same spot and once again saw someone under the same car repairing it. This time, suspicious of the trick, the officer didn't wait. He removed the license plate again and got ready to take action. But as he reached down to grab the person's leg, the real owner of the car was actually under the vehicle this time.